They're like in the middle of one foot in one boat and one foot in another boat, so they don't go anywhere. You have to commit yourself. A servant of all is a servant of none. Who's your master? Oh, everybody. Well, I don't want to hire you. If somebody comes to your door and says, I want to be your servant. Acha. Do you have any other masters? Oh yes, everybody in this town is my master. It might be hard for me to get any service out of you because you have so many masters. When I call you, say, oh no, I'll be right back. I have to serve the guy across the street. And I have to serve the guy on the other, down the road. Well, if he comes and I say, yes, you want to be my servant? Yes. Do you have any other masters? No. Do you want any other masters? No. Did you have any other masters? I did, but I've left them. I don't care. I'm just looking for one master that I can deposit all my faith and energy and life, everything. Prana and dana, and my mata, my pita, everything I want to put here. I want to find that master that will be my father, my mother, my well-wisher, my one master, my one nath, Eknath. And so I'm ready to dedicate everything I have for your service. And what will the person master say? Well, come on in. Welcome. Sit down. Here's the servant's quarters here. Here's your bathroom. And I'll pay you this much every month. Now, take out your pencil and paper. This is your schedule. And then you give him 100 different services to do every day. And then he's there. It's you and him. There's nobody else. You're the master, he's a servant. Forever. This is pure bhakti.